officially have it now. The Shadow Freddy plushie. One of a kind item in the FNAF Collector's Collection. This plushie was a Hot Topic exclusive and wasn't sold for very long before it's discontinued. As said, I bought this from a Bakari seller, and the hat is a little screwed a bit, but most of my Freddy plushies, as you've seen in my videos, are like that. The hat's squishy. He's squishy. Squishy boy. And he's just purple. Lean Freddy. Yeah. Yeah, he's just... Oh no. He's just a one-of-a-kind item, so... Yeah. We finally got Shadow Freddy. Now, what lies beyond his eyes? Oh god. Oh god. Too much. Too much.